How to send large files on Yahoo Mail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send large files on Yahoo Mail. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that in Yahoo Mail. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Yahoo Mail in your preferred browser, or you can directly open up the application itself. After it is opened up, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So when you are here, all you need to do is go ahead and compose a new mail where you want to send the large file to. So you're gonna go ahead and click on compose. After that, you can choose compose layout as well if you want. And once that is done, you're gonna head over and type in the details of the provided user to whom you wanna send the large file to. So in two section, enter the email address and enter up the subject. After that, and this below the subject, you can place of your large files. And in order to place of your large files, in the bottom you'll be finding this pin icon, the link icon. So you can go ahead and locate that option link, and when you try to open it up, it only allows certain amount. So if you really want to send the large file, all you need to do is head over to a Google Drive, and you need to make it into a form of Google Drives, here it in form of Google file. So go ahead and copy the link from the file, the large file from your Google Drive, and you need to give access as well. So you can head over to share icon, right clicking on it, and when you go to the share, you need to give access to that particular file. You can select the user to whom you want to give the file access to. After the access is given, click on done. And once that is done, you can head back to your Yahoo Mail. And after that, you can go ahead and paste the link of that particular Google Drive and click on send. And that particular person can open up your Google Drive along with the large file that you're trying to send. So this is the very easy method you can apply for now. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.